I'm Yam from Oklahoma State University and from the Bedsard lab. Today I'll be showing how to debug the pressure transducer from this. So this is the data acquisition channel where we will connect the pressure transducer, and from this channel the connection goes to the controller room where we can control the pressure according to our measurement. So before that, in this data acquisition channel, you can show 4 ports. So these are the in out 4, in out 3, in out 2, 4 2, 4 1, 4 3. So these are like a pressure box, and and these are like an input signal and there is output signal. So before connecting the pressure transducer, we will measure the voltage, like what is the input signal port and what is the output signal port. So to do that, we'll use a voltmeter thing to measure the voltage, and there is, like you can see that there is a red, black. So these the black are the ground portions, ground port, and these red ports, one is input and one is one is output. So to measure that thing, we'll connect this voltmeter to this port and we'll measure the voltage, which gives us the excitation voltage, that will be our input. And if we get the 0 voltage, that will be output. So then let's add this to the ground port, the black cable, and this red to the red. So we can see this gives actually our 21 voltage. So this port is giving us the voltage, so it could be our input. But to make sure, we will check the other things also, other port also. Like we add this port to the red and this is to the black. So this gives us 0 voltage. So it means this is the output port and this is our input port. So now we will connect the pressure transducer input to the input and output to the output. So let's go to that point. So this is our pressure transducer. In the pressure transducer, you can see it's written what is the excitation voltage, 24 voltage DC, and output is 4 to 20 milliampere. So we need to connect that to a 24 voltage input signal, and it will give us output as a 4 to 20 milliampere. So now you can see the wiring, how much wire. There are 4 wires, you can see. There is black and white wires. So these are for ground. We will connect this to the ground port, and this red and green. The red is like the input wire, and the green is like the output wire. So we will connect this green to the output port and red to the input port. So we will get our signal output from this green wire. Now let's just connect to this. So as you know, this is the input. So we will connect the red to the red, and another ground like black or white to the black. And this is our output signal. So we connect this green to the red and this white to the black. So these are connection things. So now from the control room, we can debug these things, debug this pressure transducer and check whether it is working properly or not. And we can also calibrate this pressure transducer based on our measurement. Now at the end, I am showing wiring diagram. Like this is the wiring diagram. You can see this is the pressure transducer. From this, the 2 wire goes to the power supply, that actually is the excitation voltage, and 2 wire goes to the signal and to the instrumentation or control room, that actually send this signal to the control room and converts the output milliampere to the pressure according to the calibration thing. So thank you. That's all for today.